Evening Board Game Geeks. It's Addy here from Summon Games. Another package has arrived, so I'm going to do a quick unboxing, see what the components are like, and take you through it once I've dug out all the packaging, because there's loads. Christ, it's heavier than I thought. So, we are unboxing, if you can see that, Dungeonology, the Epedition. Yes. Because I backed it. It's by Ludus Magnus Studios. It was created by Diego Fonseca and Danilo Guidi, I want to say. I'm probably not pronouncing your names right, I do apologise. And the purpose of the game is to go on expeditions, not to hunt creatures, not to bring back, not to study. Well, sorry, not to bring back and study, is to go out into the wilderness and study them in the wilderness. And the idea is you're trying to create a thesis which you can then give into the university to get your thesis passed. I forgot what the word I'm looking for. So already, ooh, looking good. Oh, you gotta love that box opening feel. The temptation just to rip it all open. Alright. Let's look at that. Let's see what I'm looking at properly. So the rule book is pretty extensive, to be honest, but it looks like it covers everything. And I'm glad like everyone's listened to each other and followed one another. So when it comes to you actually creating a rule book, you actually put images on it so people can understand it better and going, if you're doing this, this is how you do it, you move this to this, etc. etc. And the art style is amazing. I do like it. Which seems to be the thing now, like everyone's got their own like art take on like a lot of games at the minute. Like the horrors would be really dark, but the creatures would be like a really pasty colour, which look horrific, and you're like, oh, it's all about the immersion in the game. So that's halfway through. Wow, okay. I'll give you extra stuff at the back. We will look at that at some point properly, maybe. I'm gonna let John read it. Ooh, I love it. Look at it, it's indented. Ah, what? Look at these marks. God damn it. There's nothing on top of that then. There's nothing leaning on the box. Anyway, it's only a dent. It's gonna happen eventually. We got to punch out some cardboard. Yes. So we'll figure out what they are later. Love it. Every box should come cased like this. I mean, just the camera. It's in its own plastic box. Which is amazing. I am liking this. There's like Nemesis have done it, and a few others have done it as like a stretch goal unlock. Where it'll give you an inlay rather than you having to pay for an inlay. that's what to do. Little cheat sheets. Oh, these are nice. These are nice. And they're all like indented as well. It's brilliant. So that's from the dials that are over there. Cubes for the dials. Haha, Scott dudes, look at them. Oh, they're amazing. Oh, that's eight. The problem I'll pick up a new game and go, can I use it for D&D as well? And you know, you shouldn't. You should not use other game components for, you know, for other games. Oh, it's just the way it is right now. Like, what was it? Hero Forge, you create your models on Hero Forge. Well, it's like 20, let's say 25 pounds plus P&P to get it to us. And that's for just a single model. And as one of our friends was playing D&D, his model hadn't even arrived yet, and his character died. Which is 20 odd quid just wasted. It's £20 wasted, about $25. But yeah, it's just gone. How is that an animal companion? that is brilliant. Oh my god. That's a proper let me preach his name. Tone deaf board. I'll have to read these. I don't want any spoilers, so if we just do that. Excuse me. Excuse me, yawning. Not allowed. I'll take some of the tiles out, not all of them. Make sure upside down. So that's nice. Oh, an indented board. I like the way the boards have kept the same thickness for the indents as well. That's pretty sweet. It saves messing about. You go, oh, that's one I want. I like it. I like it a lot. Oh my god. Deck of cards. Deck of cards. Let's have a look at the cards. Cards always good. I'm getting the models last. So you have to wait. I like to keep you all on your toes. Because I can't open the cards. Oh, come on. Stupid plastic. What are you good for? Nothing. Apart from keeping cards safe. Gotcha. Gotcha. Yes. Here we go. Here's some of the cards. Cautious pace. And a strap. I don't know what to do. I'm not going to read them because I want them to be a surprise when we do them. Are these people's specific decks, I'm guessing. Looks like it. Yes, yes they are. Let's plop them there. Oh, a little advertisement. doing that one. Sorry, I've got a little plug for them. So they've got this one going, DEI, which looks like a really good game. However, my bank says no. So I'll have to listen to my bank on this one because Christmas coming. But if anyone wants to like buy me a copy, you know, you're more than welcome to. Don't know what these do. Don't know what these do. Have to read the rules because my memory's terrible. Dances of Pandemonium. Okay. So we'll have to look at the rules and what things do. Check see anything hidden underneath. Right, models. Quite like that. Get back in there. Not as bad as some of the models from the Nemesis one were difficult to get out at the bottom. Like I nearly broke a couple trying to get it out, but I managed to. I like the detail on it. It's really, really detailed. Why has it got a wooden sword? Wooden sword's not going to save you. Little rogue type character. Nice. Image. Now I am going to do my best and not use these for D&D. But I can't promise that. I'm not. And there's the boss flagon. Oh no, those are highly detailed models. I'm quite impressed. Money well spent. From what I've seen in the gameplay is really good. Works really well. And in some cases, if you fall kind of behind, you're not really behind because all it takes is one person to make a mistake. And then you can sweep in, steal everything. Well, not steal everything, but steal what you need. Dent in the box. Ah, but that is not all, because we got this, which is heavier than the first box. Surprisingly. Need to get a better table, because this one's, I think, on its last legs. The table's done me proud, though. Yeah. Done me well. As you can tell, like the slightest knock and the whole table shakes. That's what the camera's everywhere at the minute. I will go shopping for like a proper camera and arm support, so there is no chance it can be knocked over. Cersei's Bay. You can't see that. So Cersei's Bay. A little mini mission on the side, which is awesome, which gives us Sister Leonida the commander, the pigman, Rocco the fisherman, which is just Oh, it's a book. It's in every language. Oh, I doubt it's in Klingon, but one could hope. Jesus Christ. It is heavier than the other box. So, whoa. Rocco the Fisherman. Dun, 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 dun. As I say, the detail and the models is brilliant. Please don't break. It's kind of cheating. She's got a lion. How did she come out box? She come out that way. She come out that way. She come out this way. That way. We'll always find a way. Leonidas, who I thought would be in better shape, but he's not. He's old. He looks pretty awesome there. That's why it's heavy. Look at this. What? It's cards with new tiles. Oh, it's a finger depth worth of new tiles. Which covers the coastline. Ignore that guy. It is just a squid. Or a kraken. You can never tell. There you go there. That goes there. I am not opening up all these. It's just like more. There's more cards. With cards. And more cards. And that's just one expansion. That's immense. That is huge. And I do like it. That's a lot. And that's not all of it. Because that's just first wave stuff, that, I think. Pretty sure. I'll have to double check. Can't remember. I always say I can't remember. I do have a wee bit of a condition, which lets me forget quite quickly. I'm getting better. So yeah, that's Dungeonology with an expansion. I have to check what what I've backed it at, see what else is coming. Hopefully bring it to the table soon, because I've still got what have I got? Nocturians bringing to the table, Battle of Bards, Nemesis plus all of its stuff. This I think there's something else, I can't remember. We were considering doing Dark Souls, but I think the hype of that game's gone. Yeah, that's that. Stay tuned for the next one. I haven't decided what we're playing yet. We've got a selection. Then come follow us on Facebook. I'll leave the link below. If you search for Creative Consortium, that's where John and a few others are, writing blogs, doing some nice designs for Dungeons and Dragons and any role-play sort of game. They also do blogs covering currently a lot from Games Workshop at the moment. If you're full geeky, go to NerdOD. Those guys are trying to jump around to various Comic-Cons. They always do a sing-along session when they're there. They're at nerdod.com. and well, as I said, we ourselves are on Facebook and here, obviously. Oh, and our friends at Babylon Wizard have a competition right now. I'll get the link and I'll post it below as well. Go give him a like, because that guy is spending his free time to create mini adventures for anyone doing Dungeons and Dragons, and he's trying to keep it balanced at the same time but make it fun. He's got more patience than me. I prefer to wing it. So that's it. If you like what you see, give us a like, give us a follow, subscribe, and we're hoping to have a competition announcement coming up pretty soon, just before Christmas, I hope. Okay, catch you on the next one, guys.